Hello everybody, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel. Well, I lost my drone. Lost it. That's it. Yesterday I went to test out my drone in a nearby primary school field. So everything was going on fine. I tested out various features, took pictures and video, tried flying different angles. It was going on fine. Not until I pressed the follow me button. There is on the app, there's a follow me button. So when I clicked on that follow me button, automatically the drone just lost control and decided to fly on its own. So I tried to press the return button, nothing happened. I pressed a couple of times, nothing happened. I tried to follow the drone, but it flew so fast, like someone was just controlling it from somewhere. And that's it. Couldn't track it, couldn't find where it landed. So try yesterday in the night, I tried to look around for it, went around the bush, spent my time till 7 o'clock. So I was flying my drone today and testing it out. All of a sudden, I don't know what happened. The drone developed fault and I couldn't control it again. I pressed the return key, but it never returned. And I don't know where it flew and fell. So right now, in the last 30 minutes, I've been around this bush. Searching for the drone. That's the Monster Drone F8 that I bought, but I can't find it. So 7 o'clock and I'm still searching for the drone, but I can't find it at the moment. So I'm gonna search a few more minutes. If I can't find it, I have to head home because it's already late. So I'm back this morning to take a look around the second time if I can find the drone. Yesterday I was flying it in the evening around 6 and suddenly the drone lost control. I hope that I'll be lucky and find favor able to find it. I'm in Maitama Park. We've been searching around here for the drone, but now I just got a little bit of a good information. Some people saw the drone yesterday when it flew past the park. So it flew this way down. So I'm going to now change my direction of search. Let me call my search party that have been helping me to search. We're going to go down there and search and try to see if we can find it. I'm told that the drone flew past into this compound, so I'm going to try to find my way into this compound and see if I can find the drone. So I'm going into the first compound, which is actually owned by the Nigerian Police Force. You can see it. I checked, but nobody saw the drone. It didn't fly to that direction, so I'm going to check the next compound and see if it's there. I just hope I find luck and find this drone today. With all the search, I haven't been lucky enough to find it, so that's it. Rest in peace, drone. Okay, so well, I've learned a couple of things I wish I did, so which I think every person that is getting drone for the first time, this is what I think you should do. So these are the lessons I've learned. First thing first, if you can afford it, afford a very quality drone. But for the purpose of testing out, it's good to get a cheaper drone. Like the one I got, everything I spent was $218. So I just lost $218 plus my emotion that was already put into this drone. But it's okay. So, but if you can, so my advice, if you can, get a more quality drone. But the biggest lesson I've learned through this experience is putting a tracker on the drone. If I knew, I'd have put a tracker on the drone, because if there was a tracker on the drone, then I would have been able to, through the coordinates, I'm able to know exactly where the drone is. So the problem now is I could not find exactly where it went. So a couple of people tried to tell me they saw the drone flew past them and all of that, but I've gone around looking and all of that, but I couldn't find it exactly. So the biggest lesson is if you're investing in a drone, especially if you're investing in an expensive drone, at least over $1,000, which in Nigeria equivalent is almost 400,000 naira. So you should be able to get a tracker on it. Put a tracker on it. Put a tracker on it. So that is definitely something I'm going to do if I'm getting another drone. Of course, I'm getting another drone. Definitely getting another drone. I cannot be deterred. Well, it's a drone I lost. I didn't lose somebody. I didn't lose my life. So it's just a drone. So it's a learning experience. I've learned from it. So if I get another one now, I definitely will put a track on it. Definitely put a track on it. That's one big lesson I've learned. Nobody actually thinks of, want to think about losing your drone. You're buying your drone, you're happy, you want to just use it, you want to have fun with it, but we never think about something could go wrong. So if you check YouTube videos, you see that a lot of people have lost their drone. So this is not like this is the first time this is happening. I mean, people that even with more experience, because drones can develop faults. It could be a fault of the pilot, it could be a fault of the drone. Like in this case, I said I was flying the drone, everything was moving on fine until I pressed the follow me button. Immediately I pressed the follow me button, all of a sudden the drone lost control and I didn't know what happened. So it could be as a result of the app, it could be a result of maybe I shouldn't have pressed that, I don't know. So I pressed the return button, but it never returned. So I don't know whether it's the app, I don't know whether it's the drone, I don't know what exactly went wrong, but what I know I should have done would have been to put a tracker on the drone so that no matter what happens, I could have been able to track the drone now and get it back. So that's one big advice I would give to everyone that is investing in a drone, and not just drone, in anything at all, any movable thing at all. Put a tracker on it in your car, put a tracker on it. That's very, very important. Okay, so that being said, that's it. So that's my experience. For now, I'm just gonna, release my emotion from it. I don't want to fix my emotion on it, I don't do that. So just move forward. I won't let this deter me. I've decided I want to fly drone. I love aerial pictures. I want to make films on with drones, and I'm going to do it. So whether I lost this one or not, I'm going to get another one. So that's the spirit. So that's it. So that's it. I'm going to show you some of the pictures and video footage I took with this drone. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching.